In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook lead ads with Pipedrive CRM in just 5 minutes. This integration is a great way to streamline your workflow, ensuring that all leads generated from your Facebook ads are automatically sent to your CRM, making it easier to manage and follow up with potential customers. This efficient process will save you time and help keep everything organized, allowing for a more focused approach to your sales strategy. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head to the search bar. Type in Zapier, which is the tool we'll use for this integration. Zapier is a fantastic service that connects different apps, allowing them to work together seamlessly without requiring any coding skills. Once the search results appear, click on the official Zapier website link. Now that you're on the Zapier homepage, it's time to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but most of you probably do. So, just enter your login information and sign into your account. Once you're in, it's time to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects 2 or more apps you use. Look for the Create Zap button and click on it to start designing your workflow. With the Zap creation interface open, the first step is to choose your trigger app. In our case, it will be Facebook lead ads. This means that whenever a new lead is generated from your ad, it will trigger an action in another app. Once you've selected Facebook lead ads as your trigger app, it's time to choose a specific trigger event. In our example, we're using new lead as the event. You'll then need to connect your Facebook account to Zapier so that it can fetch the lead information automatically. Follow the prompts to securely connect your account. Next, let's set up the Action app. Your Action app will be Pipedrive, which is where you want the lead data to be sent. Select Pipedrive from the list of applications. Now decide what action you want to perform when a new lead comes in. One common use case might be add discount to deal, but you can choose any action that fits your needs. Again, you'll need to connect your Pipedrive account, following similar prompts to those you saw when linking Facebook. With both your trigger and action apps set up, click on the Continue button to proceed to the data mapping step. Here, you'll map the fields from Facebook lead ads to the corresponding fields in Pipedrive. Once you've double-checked the data mapping, perform a test to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you're all set. Finally, publish your Zap. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Facebook lead ads with Pipedrive CRM. Thanks for following along, and I hope this integration helps make your lead management more efficient.